See, this bird knows what I'm talking about. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're very polite.
You're very polite.
You do not see that these days. You do not see that. I like you.
I like you.
Oh, thank God. You know, you never really know what somebody thinks of you, but I'm glad I made a good first impression. Would you like to be friends?
Like to be friends.
Oh, God, this is all going so smoothly. What's your name? I'm Peter.
Peter.
No way, that's my name. Hey, you should come home and spend the night at my house. Lois, will you make up the guest room?
Peter, that's someone's pet. You can't just take it.
Well, maybe they never know it's gone.